friends, and welcome to Mystic Star Magic. Today we are doing a flip through and a review of the Lenormand, the Circle Lenormand. I found these guys on GameCrafter. You know how I love GameCrafter because, just because that's where I have my decks too. So that's why I find stuff there. And I also find like for example, this one I thought it was a good price, and it looks really interesting, and it's unique, and I like that. So Lenormand, I actually like to do Lenormand now. I'm trying to learn how to do it even more. So it's basically 36 cards, and you just kind of have a definition of each one, and it kind of guides you, and you kind of combine them to see. Maybe I'll do a video on Lenormand in general. But here we go. We're going to do a flip through, and we have the stars. So each one has like this. So they're just like inequality. That's the back, and that's how it is. And we have crossroads or the path. This is the gentleman. So it's kind of, you can see it's kind of, I don't know what period this is in, but it's like old school. Like old school. So this is the stork. We have the anchor. We have the mice. We have fox. We have the cross. The bear. The heart tree. The sun. We have the key. The lilies. This is the garden or the park. The child. I like that one a lot. The birds. We have the book. We have the letter. The snake. The clover. The rings. A ring. Yeah, we have this. The moon. I have to say I like that one a lot because it's like a grouchy looking moon. We have the ship. The fish. Sorry if I'm like the bouquet. Here we go. Whip. The house. Home. Dog. Mountain. Coffin. Lady or yeah, just the lady. Clouds. Tower. The scythe. I don't think I'm pronouncing it, and the writer. So that is what they have. Each card it's a good size. Let me actually see so you could see it, what it's compared to. These are my little mini tarot. This is the mini tarot, so it's substantially bigger. And it comes in this bag. It doesn't have an actual like package. This is like the package, and I like it a lot. And I love the blue bag. It doesn't have any kind of like booklet or anything with it, and I didn't see an ebook either for it. I was looking. This deck, I think it was $14.99, and I thought it was a good price. I liked it a lot. I've been using it, and I I have a thing for like round cards for some reason. So I like it a lot. So the pros are to me it's very unique. Not the Lenormand, but just the way it was created. I like it, and I like that it's circle. I like the bag that it's in. I don't feel like it needs a package aside from this, and price was good. I thought it was a good price. It wasn't crazy amount. So yeah, definitely. I feel like this was a good buy. So now let's go ahead and do a little bit of how we have to do a pick a card, because that's the fun part. All right, so I will be right back. Okay, we're ready for it. So these are your piles. So the question is important situations that are currently right now that you kind of need information about. So that's what we're going for. So think about that. Look at the piles. Each one has the little pins so that you can choose it. Let's excuse the little blue jay that is very excited. All right, let's go ahead and close our eyes and inhale. Now as we open our eyes and exhale, choose whichever pile draws you to it. All right, let's do this. Right, group one, let's see what kind of messages you have. So you chose the butterfly, so definitely there's some sort of transformation, and it's like ice cream, so there's something sweet coming your way. Something good and sweet that's coming your way. So Let's go ahead and do the Lenormand. So there's a letter coming, so some sort of contact coming, and with the heart, so it's like some sort of a love letter, love message coming your way. That actually feels like it'll transform things transform you in some way. So we also have this one with the Page of Cups, and we have the Eight of Pentacles. So it's an interesting combination here because we have the Page of Cups, which definitely you can see it's like artistic, but it's also like there is this love, there's this nurturing creativity, and we also have like work here, like with the Eight of Pentacles. It's like work that you love to do. That's interesting. So I feel like there's two messages here for you. Which you would like, I like to see this, but it could be that love is coming through you through work, right? And that like it'll be an artistic like a message, like so maybe some artwork as well. But it also feels like there is definitely a love message like coming to you. It'll be something sweet, but it also feels to me like you're discovering the work that you love. Like it's like in the beginning stages, but it's something that you love to do. So just keep doing it, and I feel like all these like beautiful things coming your way. So yeah, very positive message for you, group one. Love is definitely like love messages coming, like really strong love messages coming through. And just based on this, it could be like with somebody who's younger than you and artistic, and you might meet them at like work area. Oh wow, so that is very specific. And they like to eat sweet things, or you do too. But it's like this experience, this will transform you in a very good way. Like it'll make life a lot sweeter for you. Okay, I hope that was good. It was a very specific message. So if it didn't resonate with you, we'll just wait a few days and see what happens. But I feel like that's the thing, because not everybody's, like going to be. Some people are going to be with somebody, but it feels like there is a young energy here that's going to declare love. Very artistic person, but we'll see what happens. If not a young person, definitely a Pisces, a water sign. Okay, so that is it for you, group one. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a super duper wonderful day, and I'm sending you so much love, so much light, so much happiness, and so much joy. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hello, group two. Let's find out what kind of situations or just in general, like things that are coming your way. So we have something that feels like something that was hidden is now coming to light because you're like, the hidden puzzle piece is coming to you now. So let's see what the Lenormand cards say. So some sort of an ending, but it also feels like an happy beginning. That's what it seems to me. So yeah. Okay. Oh, I love when cards. Sorry. It's not that I'm laughing. I'm just like, oh, okay, wow. So it feels like there's an ending to feeling restricted, feeling binded. So it's like I feel like I really want to say you're binded to the past, but it's coming to an end. This is coming to an end, and there's a new beginning, a new fulfillment. Because this is like the sun. This is like happiness, joy, light, vitality. And with the Ten of Pentacles, it feels like you're like a very happy home life, very happy, just fulfilled. Financially, just and well grounded, but also just surrounded by love, a family. So that's really good. So it's all like here, there's because it's like something's going to come to light that will give you that piece that is missing, and that is going to cause this ending. Yeah, so it's like an ending there, with the Eight of Swords coming to the ending. This feeling restricted, feeling binded, it's coming to an end, and it feels like a very bright fulfillment that is going to come in its stead. Oh wow, so a really beautiful message, group two. I hope it was helpful. I love Lenormand in general just because it gives such interesting readings. Especially paired with tarot. But if you did like this, please consider liking and subscribing and commenting. It really helps me know if you guys like this or not. It just makes my day every time. So I appreciate that. I'm sending you so much love, so much light, so much happiness, so much joy, so much freedom, and just like all your dreams coming true. Bye-bye, group two. Hello, group three. So let's find out what situation and what just things are happening that the cards want us to know. So no matter where is what you chose, and you also chose this little peace sign. So right off the bat, just so you know, there were supposed to be only 2 cards, but a whole bunch came out for you. So you know how I do it. I like to, if that's what it needs to go. So we have the lady, and we also have the rider. So it's like, it feels like there's some sort of like a victory coming. If you're you know, like a lady, this is a victory that's for you. Or if not, there's going to be like some lady's gonna help this victory. It's gonna be, it's like, oh, it's really gonna be a very exciting, happy victory here. Let's look at the tower. So we have the Page of Wands. So it's like something artistic, especially a message to me, like some sort of inspirations coming your way. We have the Hierophant, so teacher, so student of, let's continue this, Temperance, of patience. We have 6 of Swords, so we're moving forward. And we also have the Star and the 3 of Pentacles. So, whew, that's a lot. You see, there's a lot of cards here. Okay, but overall, we have this you're finding this balance. Feeling you're going to find this balance after you leave a situation. Like, it's going to be 6 of Swords. There's movement there. You're actually leaving, and the Rider in general is also like very like at a motion card as well. So there is definitely a movement away from something, but it feels like you're learning something new. You're like, because of here you have like this inspired, but it's a creative work, kind of like going your own path. You are starting off on your own path, but it's the very beginning here. You're going to find like a teacher, some sort of mentor, who's going to help you find this balance. And once you find this balance, you're going to like have this like the ability to just move away from, like, I think, past negativity, past things that weren't working out, because you're moving forward, and there's this like stars are shining, and you're going to be like working you're going to be working with like people that you really like and enjoy. There's going to be like a cooperation here. But it's like all through this like mentor and finding this center of balance. It could also like feels like a little maybe yoga in there somewhere, because of like how they're both doing yoga here. So it could be something to do with yoga. But it's like, in terms of the Lenormand, it's like a very positive motion forward, because the Rider is just like very positive. And if it could be that there's like a victory for you here, especially if you're a lady. If not, then like the lady has something to do with this victory. It could be that your mentor is, again, could be a lady, because here they are both, again, ladies here. So then that's what it is. So you have this energy here. So lots of good stuff coming here, and no matter what, no matter where, yeah, because you feel like this motion. Maybe I feel like you're scared of moving forward, of actually moving, but it's like no matter where, you're gonna have this balance here, and it's like really peace. You are like, your focus is really on peace, and you are gonna have a lot of inner peace here as you move forward. And especially, it might be that you need to move to find a sort of like for work or something, or for some creative thing, but it feels like work, and or for school could be as well, because it's like the 3 of Pentacles. But it's like this new environment that you're moving to, you're gonna shine like a star, and it's also just gonna be surrounded by people that you really care and like. So if you're afraid of this move, don't be afraid of this move, because this is a very successful move. For some of you, that's the message you need to hear. I hope this reading was helpful. If you like it, please consider liking and subscribing and commenting. I love reading comments. I love new subscribers, and I love likes. So I'm always appreciative, and it always makes my day. I am sending you so much love, so much light, so much clarity, so much success and fun, and just like, if your move is coming, I hope your move is super smooth and super happy, and you do find these people that are just your support network. There's going to be, and shine like a star. All right, have a great day. Bye-bye, Group 3.